Let's take a quick look at the System.io pricing plans and how much it costs per month, as well as how you can get a discount. If you'd like to follow along or just test out System for free, I will leave my link down below. That's going to be very important because there's actually a secret little way of getting a discount. First and foremost, allow me to walk you through the process. If you go to the main page, which is right here, enter in your email address and then simply go to Get My Free Account. You're going to notice that it says you have to confirm your email address, but there's going to be a special offer here. So you can save 40% on your System.io plan by taking advantage of this offer. You'll have access to all the features of the System.io startup plan. So normally this is going to be $27 per month, but you can get it just by going through how I showed you for only $16.4 per month. So not bad. That's how you can get a discount should you want to upgrade right away. Now let's take a look at the standard pricing packages. So look familiar, startup, normally $27. That's going to be how you can get that discount for it, which is pretty cool if you ask me. So free is going to be free as always. And this usually comes down if you want more or just like, better features, bigger features, and so on and so forth. So a startup's going to be $27 per month. Webinar is going to be, once it starts adding the evergreen webinar features, $47 a month. And unlimited, as you can guess, just about all unlimited is going to be $97 per month. So we'll kind of go down and show you how they increase. So sales funnels is going to increase as you go up. Sales funnel steps is going to increase. Blogs is going to go up. The number of courses that you can sell is going to go up. The amount of communities that you can have, the amount of automation rules, workflows, tags, email campaigns, one-click upsells, order bumps, A/B tests, coupon codes. A lot of these are going to be the same, which is good. So API requests per minute is going to increase. Custom domains, evergreen webinars. Like I said, this only starts at the evergreen section. Then, of course, you can use it at the unlimited. And, of course, these aren't going to be available unless you use the $97 per month. So all plans also include unlimited email, which is great. You can have a specific amount of contacts, but you can send as many emails as you want. Unlimited file storage space, unlimited students, no transaction fees, affiliate programs, and online support. You can also connect with some really good payment gateways as well. So that's going to be the video when it comes to choosing a pricing plan with System.io. Like I said, if you're going to be going with startup, make sure you check out the link down below in the description. Sign up, and when you do, you can get this actually half off. I believe it was half off, 40% off, So it's going to end up being $16.40 per month instead of $27 per month should you want to utilize the startup one. A great little way of getting a discount, which I always love to kind of find these little Easter eggs, especially because it can save you a little amount of money, which is always a good thing. So if you have any other questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.